Okay, now we do part J. And it's going to be the limit as we write to say the limit as t approaches 4 of 1 over root t minus half O over t minus 4. This is what we now have. So look at this. Now we can see we have the radical in the top there. So obviously this looks like the one where we are going to do rationalizing. Either way, let's try to put 4 in the denominator. We always try to substitute. 4 goes where t is. It will be 4 minus 4. It becomes 0. We can't substitute. So what are we going to do? We have a radical here. Rationalize, my friend. Rationalize. How do you rationalize? You multiply by the exact same thing, but just change the sign between them. And you multiply both the top and the bottom. So it will be 1 over root t plus half. 1 over root t plus half. We are multiplying. Okay, that's what we are multiplying by. And what is going to happen here is this is going to be equal to, you say the limit is x. If you want, you can first say this is going to be, let me rewrite it. This is going to be the limit as, we say it's going to be the limit as x approaches, as t approaches 4. Then now we put a big bracket, then we put the thing. So it'll be 1 over root t minus half over t minus 4 over t minus 4 multiplying 1 over root t plus half, okay? Over 1 over root t plus half. We multiply. And this is going to be equal to the limit as t goes to 4 of, what are we going to have now? 1 over root t multiplying this. So when we have two conjugates, multiplying, these are conjugates. When they're multiplying, just square the first term, put a minus, and square the last term. So I'm going to square this. So it's going to be 1 over root t. So it'll be 1 over root t, all squared minus half all squared. That's what you do. Then in the bottom, now we have them multiply each other. This and this. So it's going to be t minus 4 is going to multiply 1 over root t plus half. And what am I going to get? This is going to be the limit as t goes to 4 of, what am I going to have now? I can here square the first thing. It's going to be 1 over root t squared minus, this is going to be 1 over 2 all squared, which is like 1 over 4, right? And this is all over. Now what do I have? Here, if I put this in the denominator, this thing now, if I put it in the denominator, it's going to be, we still have t minus 4 multiplying. I won't expand. 1 over root t plus half. But it's